Welcome to our guide on bulk actions and bulk categorization of transactions in Docket. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. Navigate to the Banking and Reconciliation Center in the top navigation menu, and click on Uncategorized Transactions under Reconciliation Center. Here, you can view a list of all your uncategorized transactions. Bulk actions. The Bulk Actions button in the Reconciliation Center under the section of Uncategorized Transactions empowers you to perform multiple actions on a group of transactions. The Bulk Action button is activated only when you checkmark one or more transactions by clicking on the checkbox before the transaction. Bulk Categorization. With the Bulk Categorization feature in the Reconciliation Center of Docket, you can easily categorize multiple transactions at once, saving you time and effort. Here's how. Select the checkbox next to each transaction that you want to categorize. If Docket detects similar transactions when you select one, you will receive an alert at the top bar as similar transactions found. Click here to select all. In the right panel, choose the transaction type and category for these selected transactions. Finally, click the Categorize Transaction button, and Docket will categorize all the selected transactions for you. And there you have it. You have now learned how to perform bulk actions and bulk categorization in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.